Alright, you want to open this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what's that here?
What is it?
Oh, look.
What is it?
Take it out?
Yeah. Troll. Oh.
Corbin, what is
What
that?
is it?
Helicopter.
A helicopter!
Look, it makes a sound. Even as a police one.
That is the biggest helicopter I've ever seen.
Look, it has a big propeller.
Yeah. Here, let's open it up. You want to open it?
Yeah.
What else does it have?
Look.
What? Does it have
Look, it has a lever too.
a lever?
Yeah.
It does have a lever. Well, let's take it out.
But I can't.
Well, I can. Maybe.
Look, it has a hook on it too.
Yeah.
Look.
Move hands.
Mommy's swallowing your knife, Daddy.
That's okay. She's a grown-up.
And you're a grown-up too.
Yes, I
You
am.
got this big hook, Mommy.
Of course, they put these things
Look at
together
this.
so you can't get them
Look
apart.
at this big hook.
Yeah, you're gonna have to like untwist it from the back once you get it.
Look
The
at
box
this
open.
big hook, Daddy.
What does that hook do?
And then this up.
Let's- Okay, here we go. There we go. We're moving now.
Hi, Mommy.
There we go.
Look, even it has the ding for the
Yeah,
pilot.
let me get some scissors.
Look, even it has a turner for you to lift. Whoa! There's something on here.
Okay, can you do the rotors out like this and lock them in place? Okay. Okay. Hey, what goes in here?
The pilot.
Oh, the pilot. Okay. Now,
Do we play with the remote control?
no, it's not remote control.
What is it?
It's push button. You gotta switch it on. Okay, now what?
Push this up. Look at it! Corbin is flying!
Yeah. Look, what are these?
Those are turbines.
What are turbines?
That's the engine.
I'm pretending I put a pretend pilot in there.
Okay.
What do the buttons do?
This one doesn't spin.
It doesn't? Okay, can you fly it? Okay, where are you gonna go?
Daddy?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yeah.
His helicopter is spinning his big propeller.
That's right.
That Mommy
And taking off.
is taking off
Okay,
That is so cool.
where's it gonna go?
in the living room.
All right, see ya.
Come in here with me.
Hey, Corbin, when it comes in for landing and hits the ground, what do you say?
Touchdown.
That's right.
Daddy, when
What?
it hits the ground, say touchdown.
Touchdown.
Ow!
Okay, what do you got? Who's that?
A dog.
What's his name?
One.
What?
He's on flies helicopter.
Bernard?
Yeah, he flies helicopter.
Bernard, where did Bernard come from? Is that his real Lego name
Yeah.
on the instructions? No. Does he fit?
No.
Oh man.
I just need to do pretend.
Okay.
One pretend I got and the flyer. He started his pretend. Oh no!
Oh no, what?
Whoa! But I don't fix it. It's a tiny. I said it's a hit, but she's not hitting it. Sorry, but
What?
But he's. Oh no!
It's okay. It just bends.
Sorry.
What?
The pilot is sitting ready to start the propeller. He said, "Start the propeller." Sorry, it's leaving. Hey.
Touchdown. Okay. You figure out how to hold it? Whoa, that's so big. Oh,
Move your arm.
well, my arm was here first. Where are you going?
On you.
Oh. Okay, now what?
Now the people did out.
The people get out?
Corbin did. He helped me. He put soap on the kitty.
Yeah. Yeah, this soap.
What kind of soap is that?
Bath soap. Mommy.
You strange kitty.
Mommy.
Strange, filthy kitty.
Mommy.
What?
What type of soap is this?
It's kid soap.
And we're born when we need for the titty.
We are.
That's right.
We are.
Strange,
It's
stray
poor
kitty.
Stray kitty. Maybe her feet are black.
Okay.
She looked like how much gray she had in her.
Yeah.
I know.
I just really thought
You did.
Yeah. That's funny.
Is that funny?
Oh, you're not playing soccer.
You gotta go fill it up again.
No.
They always find that. No matter where you put
I
the
know.
sprinkler, that one little hole right there fills up
That's
and
the
ends up
best,
in the
that's the
mud.
best thing out here.
Yeah.
Whoa, Dylan, look out.
Not at the camera,
When we
honey.
did our end of the year, my kids were rolling.
Oh,
It
mine
was
were
nasty.
stupid.
I want to take my shoes off.
You have to keep your shoes on, honey. You know why? Because there's stuff that you can step on, like twigs.
Hey, Corbin.
It'll hurt your foot.
Corbin.
Sorry.
Corbin.
You gotta keep your feet safe. You like the mud puddle, Noah? Yeah, that's her favorite. Isaac and Joe, not on the towels, please.
Square bubble? Because it's a thing is a square bubble?
More bubbles?
Whoa, Charlotte's good at that.
Here.
You've got the technique down.
I will hold it.
Okay.
You do team
Corbin can be the holder.
you got